small patio area we did, just as a little test piece. What we're going to do now, it's been down nearly 4 weeks. We're going to do some tests on it to see how it stands up to several things. So the first test we're going to do is where some of the colleagues of mine from Aquacut Tyler's Tools are going to actually walk onto the platform and see how many people we can get on here without there being a problem. So come on Nicola, let's have you on.
Come on.
And then Dan. And Scott.
Hiya.
Followed by Mike. And then the big boy himself, Kevin. So I think you'll agree the first test was pretty simple, but nevertheless effective. The next one is where we're going to drive this heavy Mercedes vehicle up the 2 ramps and park it on here. So come on Scott, let's have you. So as you can see, that was very successful. There's no debonding, there's no movement whatsoever in the slab or the tile or the paving or whatever you guys call it, or the flag. Debonding from the MOT and the FUGA PAVE. So we've had the Mercedes on the platform. We're now going to drive the big heavy van on here. Okay. Okay. Right. Absolutely no movement in there at all. So we've had the van on here and the car. We've had the bodies, and it's still absolutely solid as a rock. So what do we do? Okay, we're going to try something extreme now. What we're going to do is we're going to put pallets with the FUGA PAVE powder actually in them, and we're going to stack them up. We'll see how many we can go and be safe.
Close up or not?
Drop it down. Just see what happens. So each of these pallets weighs 1 ton. So that's 2 tons. Third ton coming on.
So the final part of our load bearing exercise, we're going to drive the little flatbed truck on here. We've loaded 2 pallets of the FUGA PAVE product on the back. So that will give us a more than a 3-ton loading on the paving. So I think you'd agree, if you wanted to install paving in an area where you want to drive vehicles on using the FUGA PAVE system, perfect.